right, I just got back from Walmart and picked up my what few groceries I need. I needed some bologna. I make like a bologna every day, a bologna sandwich. And I got me some bread. And I got me some of this material. And this is a yard of it because I'm quilting. That would be pretty. Okay. And I am going to make lemon, angel food lemon cake. You take this cake mix and just empty the can of lemon cream pie filling in it, and put it in and mix it up good, and put it in the oven and bake it, and it turns out so good. And I got another recipe that I'm gonna. It's got cinnamon rolls, and you put them in a muffin pan, and you mash them down in there, and where you got mash them in the middle, and then you take apple pie filling and put that in there. So I got 2 cans of that. And I needed some milk. I didn't need much, so I just got a small milk. All right, this is what I've got today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. I'm going to fix me a bologna sandwich, sit down and download this to YouTube. Y'all have a wonderful week, and happy Easter, y'all. And this is Good Friday. And thank y'all so much for watching.